Nish, the police are investigating the shops. You're saying not your own boy. Remind me to never cross you.
There you go. We'll talk again later.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm having my lunch. Passing the day with a colleague.
I'd call Hartley many things. A colleague isn't one of them. What are you scheming? Why give Vinny the chicken shops, eh, Nish? Why not the Minute Mart or something completely clean?
He'll make more from the chicken shops. They're very profitable.
Can't get his hands dirty. I hope you'll agree.
Of course I do. What do you think Artie is for? He's a perfect fall guy. Have you eaten? Come, join me.
No.
Sukavinder, I assure you, I'm not handing Vinny a poison chalice. I'm merely getting my house in order before I pass on.